or heard at all by the bureaucracy and the ministry, and therefore we have this communication gap leading to a standoff and leading to a national embarrassment. Hello?
I think, Maruf, we just lost the line with Brigadier Mahalingam there, but I'd also like to bring the focus back to the statement really that the Army Chief issued just a few hours ago. He specifically mentions rogue elements not once but twice, drawing a pattern starting from the incident where the bugging was first reported and then to the letter of his that was leaked to the Prime Minister.
Yeah, the Army Chief may like to draw attention to rogue elements, but I think the Army Chief would have done himself and the rest of us a bit of a favor if he had also drawn attention to the fact that, you know, having said all that, rogue elements having released all that, there is a certain degree of merit in the disclosures. And the disclosures, whichever rogue element have also done that, have done the country a favor by letting the country know that we are not exactly in the state of minimum preparedness that we need to be. I mean, nobody is talking about that. Everyone's just talking about leaking letters, as though leaking letters has happened the first time in the history of independent India. There have been leaks and leaks, and nothing has been done about it. What happened about the Lebanon report in Gujarat, which was leaked, and the CBI is still inquiring into the leak? There have been other leaks in the past about some issues related with the Home Ministry and the Defense Ministry and the Finance Ministry, and CBI is investigating into it. Maybe, I mean, with due respect, it seems to be you hand over the matter to CBI and it is lost forever.
All right, Maruf, thank you very much.